have the mess kit itself. So it is metal. Assuming it's all like aluminum construction, and we have kind of a larger pot. We have the swing out arms, which hug the pot when it's closed, but then we have some silicone wrappings on there so you can avoid burning yourself. It gives you a nice grip, and as you can see, this is pretty this is pretty big, so you could definitely, you know, boil up enough freeze-dried food or pasta or something to serve a couple of people. And then in the top part here, we have basically like a bowl or a cup. Again, same swing out arms, silicone covering, nice, easy to grab. This is a nice deep cup as well. Both of these you can put right over a flame or fire. You know, use the fuel tab to cook over, or you know, get some fuel and wood going. And then they fit right into each other, so it sits in there. So when you're you know, putting everything away, they kind of nest in there nicely so that you can get everything back together. So I think this was a pretty nice buy. It was like under 10 bucks, and you know, a couple metal dishes like this can make all the difference in the world when you're out in the middle of nowhere. Check it out. Links in the description. Peter Von Panda out.